a momentous occasion for Team Suzuki, for we have gathered yet again thousands of Raider riders right here in Davao City.
We love Suzuki Raiders, matuloy na matipid pa sa gas.
I've been using Raider 150 since 2012.
10 years na ako nagagamit sa Suzuki Raider.
I'm safe lang ta permanente sa atong biyahe. Ang ato finish line nga lang sa atong pamilya.
Kaya nagkantak ko itong Suzuki na this kind of event to promote safety riding.
Pwede nimo siya i-daily use, pwede nimo siya i-touring, pwede nimo siya i-endurance. Anything you can do about the motorcycle.
Sa tanang chapter namo, nagkita-kita mi, nagtapok-tapok mi, bisan lagyo kayo. Salamat Suzuki Raider!
The great thing about Raider is the technology of Suzuki. It's very simple, it works, it's dependable. And that's the most important thing when you choose a motorbike, it's not going to break down.
Dahil dito sa event na ginawa ng Suzuki Philippines, nagkaisa tayo kahit isang araw lang. Masaya ang ride, may respeto yung mga riders sa bawat isa, sumunod lahat sa batas trapiko, at nakita nyo naman dito sa likod ko, the way sila mag-parking, napakaayos.
Sa event na to, successful kayo kay dagan kayo nag-join from different region diri sa Mindanao.
Alright! Grabe! 1,000 Raider riders in one big solid ride!
You're a legend in the making. You're a legend in the making. Way, way out here on the top. Coming up, just can't stop. Every step is groundbreaking. You're a legend in the making.
Napaka-solid nyo, Mindanao! Kayo ang may hawak ng record ng pinakamarami for the Raider Big Ride!
You're a legend in the making. You're a legend in the making. Way, way out here on the top. Coming up, just can't stop. Every step is groundbreaking. You're a legend in the making.
To all riders, thank you very much for coming for our first Mindanao Big Ride for Raider 150.
You're a legend in the making. You're a legend in the making. Way, way out here on the top. Coming up, just can't stop. Every step is groundbreaking.
Fuel efficiency pero dapat ang safety. Lagi nating tandaan, ang finish line ay nasa ating bahay.